Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you a demo of GitCode. Well, if you don't know, GitCode is basically a set of scripts which help you to transfer your solutions from any platform to GitHub. So it started off with LeetCode, that's why it's named GitCode. We also have GitChef, which transfers your solutions from CodeChef. And so yeah, this is our main motive. We plan on extending this to every platform out there so that you can easily transfer your solutions to your GitHub to keep track of what you have solved and what you have not solved. So before anything, this is the repo that you will be seeing, and you have to clone the repo from here. So let's just select all and copy. You can clone anywhere you want, but I'll just do it in desktop. Done. Let's go to the folder of GitCode. Let's open GitCode. So I'm using VS Code. You can use anything you want. You can use PyCharm if you want. It's written in Python as of now. So inside you will see currently there are two folders. There might be more of the time you're seeing this. Yeah, GitCode is the one which takes from LeetCode to GitHub. GitChef takes from CodeChef to GitHub. So it's named accordingly. So let's go to the GitCode folder first. Now we are in the GitCode folder. So this was the GitCode repository. Now we are in the GitCode folder. Now we can basically run GitCode. Gitcode.py. Well, I can just select what path I'm going to save that in. So let's select this. Chrome. You can use Firefox as well if you want. This will automatically take you to the login screen so that you can log in and do everything that you want. But don't worry, it's basically the way it's made. Even if you click OK or anything, it will not do anything. It will just wait for you to log in. Yeah, let's log in. I have already made a demo account where we can log in and check solutions. Let's log in. So I've logged in, and rest you can just watch GitCode do itself. It will first sort by solved. It will then scrape all the solutions that are there. Let's wait for it to scrape. Then it will go through every solution and basically just go to the accepted solution, scrape the runtime, the solution itself, the memory used, how much percentage it beats, everything. The percentage it beats and everything is used in the commit names, and the solutions is actually saved, and the question is also scraped and stored in the readme. I'll show that to you in a while. Everything is done. 4 questions and 4 are done, and it says that all your things have been exported. Thanks for using GitCode. And now if we just go to the folder, you can see these solutions are there. You see, I had selected it as 0, so I had selected the current folder as dot, so it has saved everything here. If you want, you can select some other folder according to your choice. As you see, these are the ways the questions are saved, exactly the way they were given in LeetCode. So yeah, it's pretty efficient in working, and I have used this for my personal repos as well. It approximately scraped 400 questions, 400 or 450 questions in about 1 hour. So yeah, it's pretty fast as well. So yeah, that was pretty much about GitCode. So one last thing I have to mention is if you want to push your solutions automatically, you just uncomment this line and it will push everything. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening, and that was GitCode.